What is up then, guys? Hope you're doing well. Welcome back to the channel. So if you're here just for the fitting description or the fitting instructions, I'll leave a time card down in the description which you can just go to, press on that, and it will take you to the area that you need to go and fit your cover. But yeah, for everyone else who's been pushing the business and the brand, it's been amazing recently. Like, honestly, the amount of positive feedback I've had through the inboxes in my Facebook group and everything, it's been absolutely amazing. So I genuinely can't thank you enough. But yeah, I just want to keep pushing and pushing and pushing. Hopefully you guys are still feeling it. But yeah, it's been sick. But this next product, which I'll just get this out of the way with, I've been holding this for about a month now. It's been ready for a month and it's been killing me not releasing it. And the main reason that I wasn't releasing it is because I know that I'm the only person in the world who has ever made this product and trying to sell it right now. So any business owner knows that you need to protect your intellectual property. Got a solicitor involved. I've got all my stuff registered for the intellectual property office. So all of my designs are now copywritten to me. Just in that case, if anyone in the future does come in and just tries to take my business out of the way, I'm taking them to court. And yeah, I feel like a proper grown-up. Solicitors and accountants, bro. I wasn't ready for this world. But less babbling. I'm ready to show you the parts which I've been hiding for you for such a long time. Let's go. Okay, so excuse the mess, but in the last video you might have seen we've got the compressor housing painted. We also got the inlet manifold painted, but you didn't see this getting painted. So here we have it, our new ST150 engine covers. These fit the V-TEC models. They are bespokely cut just to get around all of these edges and sit nice and flush. Got a nice bend that goes around there with the MK branding. There's two variations of these which I will show you in a second, but they're very easy to fit, which I said I'll give you a fitting instruction in a minute. But yeah, they're absolutely amazing. I've had a couple of guys who have showed, and I've also showed the guys in FIESTA. So if you watched that video, you would have saw like a snippet of one of them in there. But yeah, they're here. So by the time that you're seeing this, the website will be live. But before that, I will show you guys how to fit them. Super excited just to get this out there because, like I said, I'm pretty much one of the only people in the world who's ever designed this design and managed to actually fit it and taken it to market. So I don't even know if you guys can see me, but yeah, I'm super happy to get that out. I'll just sit back down and I'll show you about the variations that we've got. But yeah, as I just showed you, ST150 covers it in, absolutely buzzing. I know that you guys are going to be happy about this as well. But yeah, they come as this, brush aluminium, paint it up, make it look sick, make it match your car. But even if you don't want to touch it, we've got that brushed aluminium, and by the time it comes out to you, it will be polished, so it will look fresh and very beautiful. But we've also got a second variation, which I like to call the Dorito, which has got like a rotary feel to it. So you can go see, beautiful, nice and clean, bespoke fitment, so it fits the cover properly. Got a nice bend around there. And yeah, I'm so happy to get these out. In a minute, I will show you guys how to fit these, because I think one of the main reasons people haven't designed this in the past is because they've not been able to get around the aspect of being able to thread it down or hold it down. That's why I think most people get the aluminium covers so they can weld tabs on and things like that. But we've managed to bypass all of that, and it's dummy friendly, so literally anyone can do it. So yeah, I'm going to show you guys how to fit it. So let's do that. Okay then guys, so to fit your engine cover, it's going to come with everything you need. So that's going to include your threaded inserts. These are custom made threaded inserts, so if you lose it, you will have to buy another one because you can't buy these off the market. I've had these machined especially for this size. And you've also got your bolts here, which are M6 by 16mm if you lose these, or if you want to swap them out for something a bit fancier. But yeah, to get these in, the threaded inserts, they come with a slit there. So what you want to do is you want to squeeze that in just so it fits nice in there, and you put that in the hole. And depends on your strength, but I like to use the back of a screwdriver to push it down, tap it in with whatever you want. You can push it down as low as it would go, and there we go, that's flushing the hole. Okay, so the way that this works is when these go in the hole, you put the screw in from the other side, and when it's pinched, it's stable and it's nice and still, but it's still loose. But when the screw goes in, it flares these out and that holds it in nice and tight. So I'll just get another one in. So just push that in a little bit. I'll screw it in a little bit. Just put the end of my Allen key on there, just tap it down. And as you can see, that's not falling out because I had to use a bit of force to get that in. But one thing I will say to all of you is make sure that your spark plugs are as flush as possible. Whether you've got a cable, tie them down. As you can see, my bend proper, nice and flat towards there because I've had weight on it just so that it's stable now. The wires are formed that way. But yeah, it won't look right if your spark plugs aren't flush. So yeah, just make sure that is. So the next part is we're going to come in with our brand new MKATTACK engine cover. and let's go. So put that down there nice. I've got to put my spark plugs back down again. Okay, so the screw goes in nice and flush, straight down into the hole, screw it down, and you see it's getting tighter. That means that it's the little insert spreading out. Okay, and let's get the other one in. You don't have to mess around with the hole fitments, they are literally bespoke. Beautiful. Let's put my spark plug covers back down. Okay, and there we go. So just show you closer. So yeah, there's a bit of a gap at the moment because these are pushing up, but the guy that I did the video on, he had, I think it was Burton leads or something like that, and I think they were a lot more flexible than the stock ones, and yeah, they fitted great on his, which I'll show you the photos when on the sale. But yeah, there we go. MKATTACK with the Dorito. You've also got the plain one, as I says, nice and clean, easy to fit. But I'm going to be doing multiple different variations of these. These are just like the release ones, so I'll probably do these ones and probably not redo these ones again, but I'll always keep the blank ones in just so that you guys want them. So yeah, we've done it again, boys. Hopefully these are of good use to you. Show season's coming, and yeah, let's just flex. Jeez. And there you go. So the ST150 covers are in. Hopefully you guys put these to some good uses. But just before I go, I just want to say I get a couple of messages of people saying that, "Hi Markel, I really want to cover, but I can't afford it for the next 2-3 weeks until I get paid. Can you hold it for me?" That sort of thing. And that's one thing. I don't want people putting themselves out of pocket just to get these engine cosmetics. Honestly, with this order, I've literally got so much stock. I could probably fit half of the STs in like the West Midlands or the UK, which is a bit of an exaggeration, but one thing I have tried to do is, because I know that a lot of my products do sell out in the past and they have multiple times, but I do just want to have enough stock in just so that when you guys have got the time and the money to order it, the parts there for when you want it, so you don't have to wait. I don't want you guys putting yourself out of pocket just to buy engine cosmetics, because that's something that I wouldn't want to do personally. But yeah, they're there when you want them, they're there when you can afford them. You don't need to stress out just to get them before they sell out. But yeah, I think in this year I'll probably try and get a couple of trade shows, just so, because it's mad, because I sell like a lot of products, but like I think probably about 1 out of 10 I actually see them fit to the car. The rest of them just, they're gone. But yes, I think it'd be cool to actually see some of the cars that have actually got the products fitted. But yeah, but I think it'd be nice to also meet some of the new viewers and the new subscribers, which I think is quite sick. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. Yeah, buy it when you're ready. No rush, no stress. Got plenty of stock in. But yeah, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.